Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have remote job leads for you. This company called Holafly hires worldwide remote workers, as you can see, and they have some open positions for different locations, including Nigeria. So let's explore their website together so that you can apply if you find anything that suits your qualification. If today is your first time, we talk about work from home remote jobs. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. So this is the company here called Holafly. They are an outsourcing agency that recruits remote workers worldwide for their clients. So these are the current openings here in different locations. They have hybrid and fully remote in different locations such as Dublin, Europe, UK, Nigeria. All you have to do is to go to their job openings here like this. You'll be able to filter the jobs here using your department. As of now, they have B2B and partnership, careers, clients, data, finance, IT, legal, marketing, product and design, strategy. They also have these roles here: customer success manager, data engineer, data protection officer, front-end engineer, head quality and training, marketing automation specialist, product designer, sec DevOps, senior QA engineer, software engineer Flutter, software engineer Python, support analyst. And they are hiring from these countries here: Thailand, Brazil, Bulgaria, Ireland, Morocco, Hungary, Colombia, Malaysia, Mexico, Nigeria, Philippines, United Kingdom. And these are the regions. So to find a remote job that suits you, just select the remote status. Is it hybrid or fully remote or no remote? So I'll go for fully remote, and then I'll go for countries. So I'm using Nigeria as an example. Go to Nigeria. So they currently have 1 out of 48 jobs for Nigeria here. Customer support specialist for Morocco, hiring Morocco and Nigeria. Clients Nigeria, EMEA, fully remote. So let's open it. It's a customer support specialist, Morocco and Nigeria. They're asking you to join them as a customer support specialist. You help travelers stay online, troubleshoot fast, and grow with a fast-growing remote global team. To apply for this position, let's look at the overview. This company is a high-growth scale-up revolutionizing how travelers and businesses connect to the internet abroad. Since 2018, they've empowered travelers in over 200 destinations worldwide with secure, reliable eSIM solutions. With a team of 500 plus professionals across multiple countries, they are scaling globally to support travelers with seamless, unlimited data connection. They are not just connecting people, they're enabling freedom and peace of mind, ensuring their users stay connected from the second they land. Important thing to note about this role is it is a full-time remote, but you must be located either in Morocco or Nigeria. The role, as the primary voice of Holafly, you will directly safeguard their global reputation by ensuring no traveler is left disconnected. Your mission is to transform technical hurdles into stress-free victories, directly impacting customer retention and brand loyalty in a fast-paced market. For key responsibilities, you will resolve complex connectivity issues across chat, email, and video to ensure every traveler stays online. You master the eSIM life cycle, guiding users through activation to troubleshooting with speed and precision. Advocate for the user by collaborating with internal teams to identify and eliminate recurring pain points. Optimize support workflows, processing orders and refunds while maintaining a high standard of accuracy. You'll achieve top-tier satisfaction metrics, focusing on first contact resolution and empathic communication. Fast long-term loyalty by building trust-based relationships through every interaction. For qualification, you need proven experience in high volume customer service, BPO, e-commerce, or travel tech preferred. Fluent in English, C1 level, ability to deliver clear, empathetic support across written and verbal channels. Tech savviness, with the ability to navigate CRM systems and troubleshoot digital products independently. Remote work proficiency. Schedule flexibility. To support their global users, you have to work 9 hours rotating shifts, including evenings and weekends. Bonus points, proficiency in additional languages, prior experience in the travel or telecommunication sectors. And then for benefits and perks, remote first culture with flexible working hours to support work-life balance. You work within a fast-paced international team where your impact is visible from day one. You have opportunities for continuous learning, professional development, and clear progression across a scaling global company. Competitive salary and benefits package aligned with experience and market standards. This is fully remote, but you must be based either in Nigeria or Morocco. Join them as a customer support specialist and help travelers stay online. So you start, what is your expected monthly gross competition in euros? Put it here. How many days is your current notice period? Put it here. If you're working elsewhere and you need to give them time, tell them how many days you need. Do you agree with the indefinite independent contract or self-employed modality? You will receive the payment before taxes. You're responsible for paying the taxes and local funds. Are you legally authorized to work in the advertised location without the need of visa sponsorship now or in the future? Location is Nigeria and Morocco. You can apply here either with your LinkedIn profile or you upload your CV here. They also need additional files, which can be a cover letter. Then submit this application to them. Let me know in the comments if you get this job. All the remote jobs I've been sharing, all the leads I've been giving out here. Let me know if you get any of these jobs. It will really make me happy. Okay. So if I go back to the first page, feel free to change the country. You can enter yours. If you're in Philippines, enter yours. They have 2 positions now: Telco Incident Manager and Customer Support Team Leader. If I also change to Ireland, they have 6 positions open: QA Engineer, CRO Specialist, Data Analyst, Head of CRO, Senior Backend, Front-End Developer. And if I change to India, I've got 3 here: Telco Service Manager, Customer Support Specialist India, Telco Incident Manager L2 Support. So you can definitely find a couple of jobs for different countries depending on your location. Even in the UK, they got 2: Telco Performance Partner and Affiliate Marketing Executive UK and AU Market. So go and check them out, alright? Check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments if you get the job. Keep applying, keep your hopes high, make sure your CV is well optimized and you have a cover letter to support your application. Also, don't forget to optimize your LinkedIn profile because this will give you more advantage when you're applying for jobs. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please like, comment and share, subscribe to the channel. We're nearly there, just a few more subscribers to 1,000. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.